If you need Google Sheets to make a decision, use an if statement. For example, if we have a list of test scores, we can have Google assign a pass if it's above 70 and a fail if it's below. I'll show you. So I've got the test scores for each student, and I'll first determine if they passed or failed. Then I'm going to assign a specific letter grade. So first, if the student score is greater than or equal to 70, it's going to be a pass. But if it's not, it's going to be a fail. So when I write these if statements, I always put what happens if the condition is met first, and then what happens if it's not met. So pass and then fail. Now to drag this formula all the way down the column, I'm just going to double click the bottom right corner of the cell. Next, we've got to assign a specific letter grade based on the score. And to keep it simple, let's just assume you can get an A, B, or an F. There's obviously other letter grades, but we're not going to worry about that for now. And we're going to write this using a nested if, which combines if statements when there's more than two outcomes, like pass and fail. We've got multiple grades. So we'll start this by saying, if the score the student received is greater than or equal to 90, we're going to assign it an A. But if not, go to the next check, and we're going to write if after the comma and say if the student's score is instead greater than or equal to 70, we'll assign it a B. Now, if it's less than 90 and it's less than 70, we're going to finish this by saying assign it an F. And we're going to close this with two parentheses because we've got two if statements, but you could have more than two if you wanted. Now to drag this formula all the way down, again, I'll double click the bottom right corner of the cell. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more of them. And if you want to go even deeper, I have a full course on Google Sheets in the links below.